In exercise 5, we're going to convert the following verbs into the present participle. So you could see number 1 has been done for you. The base word is use. And to turn it into the present participle, we need to add the ing. However, in some cases, if the base word ends in the E, we're going to drop the E, we take it out, and we add ing for using. So here the word is use. It turns into using. So let's try number 2. Train. So train ends in a consonant. So all we need to do is add the ing. Training. Training. So the base word is train. It becomes training. In number 3, we have want. Again, all we need to do is add the ing. There's the base word, ing. Wanting. So the base word is want. We're turning into wanting. Now, number 4, we have type. As you can see, it does end in an E. So therefore, we have to do just as we did in use. We drop the E and add the ing. So basically, the E does not come onto the word typing. Then number 5, we have sweep. We turn it into sweeping by just adding ing. In number 6, we have rain. Again, we have the base word and we add the ing. Now it becomes raining. In number 7, we have the word pretend. So here's my base word and I add the ing. Pretending. Pretend becomes pretending. And number 8, we have own. So again, there is my base word. I add the ing. It becomes owning. So let's revisit our examples. Use became using. Train, training. Want, wanting. Type, typing. Sweep, sweeping. Rain, raining. Pretend, pretending. Own, owning. So you could see the pattern is to add the ing. If you do come across a word that ends with an E, don't forget to take it out and add the ing. Now it's your turn to continue with the following exercises. Good luck, and don't forget you could always reference your answers in the back of the book.